Okay, so in today's tutorial, I'm going to be covering something I feel like I should have covered before, uh, but I just kind of forgot in all of this. Basically, how to get the query data. And if you're confused about what query data is, or query parameters, actually, what query parameters are, it's basically when you have like an API call, right? You have that question mark, and then there's like something there, like title, and then it's equal to some kind of information like um, my title, something like that, right? So it, what something like this is doing is this is a query parameter now. So if I wanted to get this information on my backend, I'm just gonna go into my routes, okay, and I've just set up a simple route, okay, slash API, and using the request, okay, so constant, and I'm gonna actually destructure this, and I'm gonna say request dot query, okay, and then I'm gonna say, actually let me just change this a little bit. Let me actually say user ID, and let's say the name of the user is John. Okay, so let me just change this as well to 1. Okay, so if I'm sending two query parameters, I am going to get them here. So I'm just going to destructure this. So user ID, and I'm going to get name, okay, and for simple, I'm simply just going to put the and I'm simply just going to put the object as it is into this, and I'm just going to save this. And you don't have to do it like this. I mean, I'm just doing this as an example, okay? You're free to do whatever you want, how you want to console log this or send data or whatever. Okay, so when I send this request, you can see that I'm getting the user ID, which is 1, and the name, which is John. Okay, this is how you set up query parameters and how you get that data on your backend. Okay, so I hope you like this tutorial. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.